Hi everyone, this is Dr. Harsha Jain, consultant and interventional pulmonologist at Vayu Chest and Pain Clinic, Pune, Maharashtra. So many of my patients ask me which are the breathing exercises we should carry out which will help in our disease process. So I'm going to show few of the exercises which you can perform, and these can be performed by general population, even those patients with asthma, COPD and any chronic lung disease patient. So first exercise which I'm going to show you is diaphragmatic breathing, which is also called as belly breathing. So what you're going to do is you'll place your left palm on the chest and the right hand on the belly. Take a deep breath. You should take a deep breath such a way that your abdomen rises. Then you should exhale through your mouth. So what you will do is place it on the chest and place it on the belly and take a deep breath. Then exhale it via mouth. This you can repeat it 5 to 10 minutes, and this you can perform 2 to 3 times a day. So basically what it does is it helps in increasing your lung capacity and it makes breathing easier. So next exercise which I'm going to show you is pursed lip breathing. So this will help in what happens in chronic lung disease or chronic obstructive airway disease like asthma and COPD is exhalation becomes difficult. So you are going to improve your exhalation via this exercise which is called as pursed lip breathing. So in that what you will do is you will take a deep breath via nose and then you will exhale through your mouth through a pursed lip. So I'll just demonstrate it to you. So you will take a deep breath. So you took a deep breath, then while exhaling you made a pursed lip and then you exhaled it out. So I'll repeat it again. This also you can do it 2 to 3 times a day, and the duration 5 to 10 minutes you can perform it. So now next exercise which I am showing you is deep breathing exercises which will help in your thoracic expansion and also in expanding your lung. So what you are going to do here is you will take a deep breath via nose, hold your breath for how much ever time you can, 5 to 6 seconds, then you exhale via nose or mouth. So what you will do is take a deep breath, hold your breath for 5 to 6 seconds. Exhale it via nose. So I'll repeat it again for you. So this also you can perform it for a 5 to 10 minutes, at least 2 to 3 times a day. So other than that, other exercise needs to be done? At least there should be 20 to 30 minutes of walk every day, at least 5 times a week. So please carry out all these exercises so that breathing becomes easier, your lung health improves, and whatever the symptoms of respiratory disease you have, they come under control. Thank you so much.